the last 2 years. Now Ingrid Reyes will be in for UST. And also for LaSalle, I think Coach Ramil is thinking about putting in Cian Cruz. Let's see, there's a little bit of a confusion here. The referee's trying to organize everything. The rotation. Wala pa tayong mga rotation errors, which is good.
Yeah.
Wala pa tayo today. Because again, that usually costs a point.
Especially doon sa
Palitan. Dahil ang dami nating palitan today, Q out. Cruz in for LaSalle. Reyes also in to serve. 8 serving 4. 5th set.
We have two tacticians really, and
Yes.
Coach Oji Mamon and Coach Ramil De Jesus.
The veteran
You
and the kind of newbie. Newbie only in terms of the coaching here in the women's. Dalawang taon pa lang.
In every possession, every rotation, ika nga, meron silang nakikita.
May salatan, parang ganun.
Advantage na pwede nilang magamit.
Ganda.
Good serve.
Umabaw. Yun, no? Diba?
Topspin lang.
Jessie goes to Maru. Nasaraduan, pero nabalik. Esperanza opens up.
That is out.
Galang. Again, just pushing it over. 5-point lead,
You can sense that De La Salle is feeling the pressure. They're trying a bit, playing a bit too safe, no?
Tight.
Very tight, and not the usual aggressive style and the power that they bring into those spikes.
Which is strange because they won the last 2 sets being loose.
Ayan, again, another drop. Oh, that's too close. Good block by Maru.
6-point lead. Body language of LaSalle not looking good right now. The fans of USD alive here at the San Juan Arena, and Esperanza will move out for Fajardo at a crucial juncture of this match.
Coach Ramil really, the way that he changes his
Today,
players,
it is uncharacteristic. Not that we second guess it. He knows his team better than anybody on this earth. But he's really looking for something here. Galang. Not much behind that one, Ian.
Easily dug up.
Yun, baliktad naman. Dito sa USD, may dikdik.
You saw Maru Banatigla, her comfort zone is the cross court.
Yes.
But look at what she dished out in this play.
Down the line naman.
Down the line.
Very capable. Going too late. And it's a 7-point lead. USD looking for an upset. Yung expression natin sa volleyball, Ian, is nawala ng diin yung laro na LaSalle dito sa 4th. Ito na, buhay na. Ang UST, nanahimik ng 2 set. Parang nakawala. Dahil ang abante ay 7. Good reception.
Another.
This time it worked, but look at the expression of Ara Galang. She was like,
thank you.
What a relief. What a relief. Boy, they needed a point. They needed a point badly. Look at this, adjusted.
Mataas yung bola.
Mataas pa nga, no?
Emer was telling Lentin, that was your ball.
Mabaw.
Oh!
Sailed out.
And remember, in that timeout, Coach Ramil was talking to Gumaba. What's wrong with you? You're not playing your game. You're not approaching. You're not hitting the ball the way you should. And now, even the serve, her serve is affected.
Very pressured are the Lady Sparkers right now. They're playing like it. Fajardo back set. Naibalik. Ball is still alive.
Kept alive.
Chance for UST though. De Leon. That's out. It is. Barely, though.
Skin of their teeth.
Barely, though. Alam mo sino tuwan-tuwa dito?
Wala ako. Si Coach
Augustin. What a comeback for him. Kumakamot na ng ulo to, no? Parang inisip niya. Kala niya pasok eh.
Alam mo, yung smile na wala ng dalawang sets eh. Eto ngayon, nakangiti na.
Bumalik. It's August Santamaria. For those of you who missed our conversation earlier, back here in Manila, back here for this particular game.
Let's see if they can bring it back. Wow, what a save.
LaSalle, let's see what they do. What a smart play by Fajardo.
Wow, tough play there for Fajardo.
And that is clutch. For you to do it at this moment.
Gutsy play.
Gutsy for Kim Fajardo. But that is a great play because she knew LaSalle was scrambling. UST was scrambling back.
Kwelo ka. Wala kayo sisiksikan sa net. Ikaw mag-receive. Huwag kang dadama. Pwede pang i-set yun eh. Dinapaan mo ka agad eh. Huwag kang magdadama. Tumakbo ka lang.
Alam mo, hindi lang mga volleyball player nanonood. Yung mga basketball player.
Sure.
Nanonood.
Exciting game right now we're having here in the arena. And these two top caliber teams giving the fans here a treat right now.
Volleyball at its best. Collegiate volleyball at its best. On opening weekend. Aragalan, the sophomore now. 7 serving 12. No room for error. As UST is 3 points away. Through the block. Banatica has come around.
This is her set. She has been so reliable, making sure that each set that is given to her, she converts to a point. And she doesn't mind hitting it off the block, cross court, or down the line, but this fifth set really belongs to Banatica. Another easy over for
Wala na namang
Del
din, ano? Ito yung din. Yun yung sinasabi natin. And all of a sudden, it is match point.
Wow, the USC crowd up on their feet right now.
LaSalle battled back 2 sets down, but UST here in the fifth looking for a tremendous upset. Looking to deal LaSalle its first loss in 2 years in the elimination round.
Caballero.
Drew. Tusaran was there. UST with a chance. Caballero.
Oh, stop.
Denied.
Fajardo this time. And now it's the turn of De La Salle to play volleyball.
Oh, yeah.
No errors.
Nailed, and it's the captain.
Oh, tough serve here
under
coming
the
up.
spotlight. Moraño.
Split second there.
Chance for LaSalle here. Fajardo goes to Mika. Maru picks it up. Caballero finds the spot. No. LaSalle gets the point.
Oh,
Coach
LaSalle's
Oji.
still alive.
Kasi nag-fist bump na si Coach Oji. That the referee says
What happened?
outside.
What happened there? Was there a touch? Oh, they thought there was a touch. That's why.
Wala ba?
I don't think
wala,
so.
no?
I don't think so.
Oh, wala.
Gumava was all over that play. If she saw a touch, she could have picked it up easily, but she let it go.
Good serve. Lantin to De Leon. Easy over. LaSalle saves that possession. Lantin.
Who do you go to? Caballero.
Caballero puts it away and deals LaSalle its first loss in the elimination round in 2 years.
Is this a championship already or what?
In front of the comebacking August Santamaria, the UST coaching legend.
Hey, so we gotta remind me, this is just opening weekend. It's not even the championship or the Final Four.
But Coach Oji said, ang intention nila this year is to get to the finals and they want LaSalle.
Called them out, yeah.
Sila nagsabi nun, ha?
Coach August priceless smile we just saw from Coach August.
What a moment for the UST fans here at the San Juan Arena. What a moment for Coach August Santa Maria.
And De La Salle, nothing to be ashamed of.
Climbing back.
Yeah, I think the key there was they gave up the first 2 sets easily. No, parang nanapaan na sila, and then that's what USC needed. A boost of confidence going into this match, and that's what they got in the first 2 sets.
Like I said, LaSalle comes in here 40-2 in the elimination rounds in the last 3 years, as the two schools acknowledge each other here at the end of the game, and the coaching staff.
Nice to see these two teams, really.
And the player of the game, Judy Ann Caballero, is your choice. The numbers
show it. 22
captain.
points. Yeah,
Delivery.
Captain. 20 attacks, 2 from the serves. Last point coming from Judy Ann Caballero. Great performance, especially in the 5th. Very steady. Congratulations to USC.
And also, solid play by Panaticla towards the end. Solid play by Lauren Lantin.
Lantin, yeah.
All throughout this match, especially in the first 2 sets. So, we'll makita-kita tayo next year.
Championship na pala. Ang gulo.
Ay, hindi. Opening weekend
Opening
pa
pa
naman.
lang. Pati ako nalito na sa'yo eh.
Sorry. On Wednesday, that's what I meant. Next week pala, mali. Next
Okay.
week, when we come back here at the arena in San Juan, UE and Ateneo go up against each other, and UST and NU in the second game. That's all live here at the San Juan Arena. So magkita-kita po tayo. Napakasaya po ng panimula ng ating 75th season of the UA